Hello everyone, welcome back to Globe Tech Learning Academy YouTube channel. In previous class, I have discussed about what is operators and types of operators. In this session, we are going to see what is looping statements. Then what is looping statements? Whenever we need to repeat the task, we came across looping statements. Means looping in programming language is a feature which facilitates the executions of set of instructions or functions repeatedly, while some conditions evaluates to true condition. In Java provides three ways for executing the loops. First one is for loop, second one is while loop, and third one is do while loop. Then what is for loop? For loop means whenever we know starting point and ending point, we came across for loop. And when we know how many times to repeat the task, then we can use for loop. And we have syntax. The syntax for loop is for, then initialization, conditions, and updations. Then open the flower brackets and we have set of instructions. And this is the flow chart for loop. The first one is initialization condition. Here we initialize the variable in use. It marks the start of a for loop. An already declared variable can be used or a variable can be declared for local loop only. Second one is testing the condition. It is used for testing the exist condition for a loop. It must return a boolean value. It is also an entry control loop as the condition is checked for the executing of the loop statement. And next one is statement execution. Once the condition is evaluated to the true, the statement in the loop body are executed. And next one is increment or decrement. It is used for updating the variable for next iteration. And last one is loop termination. When the conditions becomes false, the loop terminates, marking the end of its life cycle. And this is the example for loop. Then we can execute for this example. And this is the result. Thank you. In this session, you have any doubts, you can comment. Thank you for watching and subscribe our channel.